Alrighty, my friends, welcome back, and once again, we are recording. Show of smiles and waves up here to the camera. Who had a good time out of the Grand Canyon? Right. Just going to wait for Mike to fire up here, and we'll go on out here. Return trip, not nearly as scenic as coming out. Not a lot for me to narrate and entertain, so I just put some fun music on. Give you guys a helicopter ride home.
So we live out in our old van, travel all across this land, me and you. And we'll end up hand in hand, somewhere down on the sand, just me and you. Just as free, free as we'll ever be, just as free, free as we'll ever be. Till the city lights dissolve into a country sky, just me and you. Lay underneath the harvest moon, do all the things that lovers do, just me and you. Just as free, free as we'll ever be, just as free, free as we'll ever be, and ever be. No, we don't have a lot of money. No, we don't have a lot of money. No, we don't have a lot of money. No,
Well, my friends, it's about time to say goodbye to the Grand Canyon.
we don't have a lot of money. No, we don't have
Thank you very much for coming out and joining me this morning, folks.
we don't have a lot of money. All we need is love. We're free as we'll ever be, just as free, free as we'll ever be. So we live out in our old van, travel all across this land, me and you. got my toes in the water, ass in the sand, not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Life is
good today. Hope you agree.
Well, a plane touched down just about 3 o'clock, and the city's still on my mind. Bikinis and palm trees danced in my head. I was still in the baggage line. Concrete cars of their own prison bars, like this life I'm living in. But the plane brought me farther. I'm surrounded by water, and I'm not going back again. I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand, not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Life is good today. Adios and via con Dios. Yeah, I'm leaving GA. And if it weren't for tequila and pretty senoritas, I'd have no reason to stay. Adios and via con Dios. Yeah, I'm leaving GA. Gonna lay in the hot sun and roll a big fat one and grab my guitar and play. The 4 days flew by like a drunk Friday night as summer drew to an end. They can't believe that I just couldn't leave, and I bid adieu to my friends. 'Cause my bartender, she's from the islands. Her body's been kissed by the sun. And coconut replaces the smell of the bar, and I don't know if it's her or the rum. I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand, not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Life is good today. Adios and via con Dios. A long way from GA. Yes, and all the muchachas, they call me Big Papa. When I throw pesos their way. Adios and via con Dios. A long way from GA. Someone do me a favor and pour me some Jaeger, and I'll grab my guitar and play. Adios and via con Dios. Going home now to stay. The senoritas don't care when there's no dinero. I got no money to stay.
This little town up ahead of us we're about to fly over is a town by the name of Meadview, Arizona. The unique thing about this town is the people who live here, they have no water. Too deep to tap into, and Lake Mead will not allow them to draw off the lake. So the folks who live down here in this town, they have to have water delivered to their homes on a regular basis by truck, individually put into ground tanks. So as we fly over, take a look, you'll notice there are no monster water. There's no swimming pools down there. Essentially a retirement community, but quite possibly the last place on planet Earth I would want to retire.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go. No one will know. Oh, come on, girl. Who
here to the left, you see this dirt lot over here. That's actually a gas station, believe it or not. The fuel depot for the largest helicopter tour company in Las Vegas, called Maverick Helicopters. Each trip Maverick does on the way back to Las Vegas, they land down there. The guests are required to stand out in the sun for about 20 minutes while the pilot refuels, all in an attempt to save Maverick some money. Not a big deal in November, but July, August, when it's hot as hell out here, I probably wouldn't be too happy to be one of those guests. Maybe not advertise that.
Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby, baby. Oh, it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you.
Nice little picture off to the right side, guys, over here. Mike's helicopter's a little bit faster than ours. Plus he has one less guest on board. So he's going to be passing us by. Below is a large concentration of Joshua trees. It's these strange looking species trees out here, arms going all different directions. If you are curious across the ground right now, we're doing about 145 miles per hour. dark rock ahead of us that we're headed toward is volcanic in origin. It is remnants from the volcano back behind Hoover Dam we saw earlier.
Done all that I could to see the evil and the good without hiding. You must help me if you can. Doctor, my eyes, tell me what is wrong. Was I unwise to leave them open for so long? I have wandered through this world, and as each moment has unfurled, I've been waiting to awaken from these dreams. People go just where they will. I never noticed them until I got this feeling that it's later than it seems. Doctor, my tell me what you see. I hear their cries. Just say if it's too late for me. Said I was in my early 40s with a lot of life before me, when a moment came that stopped me on a dime. I spent most of the next days looking at the x-rays, talking about the options and talking about sweet time. I asked him when it sank in that this might really be the real end. How's it hit you when you get that kind of news? Man, what'd you do? And he said, I went skydiving, I went Rocky Mountain climbing, I went 2.7 seconds on a bull named Blue Mansion. And I loved deeper, and I spoke sweeter, and I gave forgiveness I've been denying. And he said, someday I hope you get the chance to live like you were dying. He said I was finally the husband, and most of the time I wasn't. And I became a friend would like to have. And all of a sudden going fishing wasn't such an imposition. And I went 3 times that year, I lost my dad. Well, I finally read the good book, and I took a good long hard look at what I'd do if I could do it all again. And then I went skydiving, I went Rocky Mountain climbing, I went 2.7 seconds on a bull named Blue Mansion. And I loved deeper, and I spoke sweeter.
In just a moment we'll be coming upon the Colorado River. As we do so, it comes time to say goodbye to the state of Arizona. Off to the right again, Lake Mead, and way off from left distance, you'll see the very beginning portions of Lake Mojave. Lake Mojave is the third lake of the chain on its way down to the Sea of Cortez.
What you do with it? What did you do with it? What did I do with
The
it?
snow down here about the flower is extremely cold. It is drawn from the very bottom of Lake Mead through the 4 intake towers behind Hoover Dam. This is what's used to power the generators. So this water down here, it's a constant. It's roughly 43, 44 Fahrenheit year-round. Not good for swimming.
Deeper and I spun sweeter and I watched the eagle as it was flying. And he said, someday I hope you get the chance to live like you were dying. To live like you were dying.
Welcome back into Nevada, my friends. We will be on the ground in just a couple minutes. I want to thank you folks very much for coming and joining us here at Serenity. Thank you for helping us support our families, and thank you for the trust you placed in me to bring you back safely. I value that enormously. I hope I provide you with an experience to remember for years to come.
Here I go out to sea again. Sunshine fills my hair, and dreams hang in the air. Girls in the sky, and in my blue eyes, I know it feels unfair. There's magic everywhere. Look at me standing here on my own again. I'm straight in the sunshine. No need to run and hide. It's a wonderful, wonderful life. No need to laugh and cry. It's a wonderful, wonderful life. Sunny
And below us now are Southern Nevada Veterans Memorial Cemetery.
they seem to hate you because you're there. I need a friend, oh, I need a friend to make me happy. Not stand here on my own. Look at me standing here on my own again. Straight in the sunshine. No need to
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back.
It's a
How was it, guys? Everybody have a good time? Yeah, thanks for coming out and joining us.